Welcome back, guys. We are now solving the easy medium problems that are related to sliding window. So the next problem on the list is with code 2269. Finding the K beauty of a number. Find the K beauty of a number. The K beauty of an integer. K, we were given an integer number is defined as the number of substrings of. Okay, when it is read when it is read as a string that meet the following conditions. It has a length of k, okay. It is divisor of number, okay. Given integers, return the k because zeros are allowed. Zero is not a divisor of any value. Okay. So the given number is 240. The following are the substitutes. Okay, 24 or 40. Since the length given here is 2, we can get at most 2 contagious, whereas contagious is uh, the adjacent elements, the substrings, not substrings, subarrays with adjacent values. The following are substrings of number of length k. So 24 and 40 and both are divisible by 2. Oh, sorry. Both 24 and 40 can divide 240 and so okay, fine. So let's see the 20, like k is equals to 2. You can have 43, 30, 0, 0, 0, 4 and 4, 3. Fine. Okay, it is divisible by 43 and not divisible by 30. So since it said 0 is not considered a divisor, so 0 is avoided. 0, 4, it cannot be divided by 0, 4. It can be divided by 43. So the answer is 2. And if we see the constants, the number size can be anywhere between 1 and 10 to the power of 9, and k will be between 1 and length of the number itself. Find that the edge case will be shit. We cannot do okay. Oh, fine, fine. Just ignore the edge case. Let's just start coding right away. So the intuition is we'll go like we'll slide across the number of size k and check if that particular slide can divide the two, like the whole number. Now how can we do this? One thing we can do is we can convert the number into string. Okay, let's just first try with converting it to string. Let's see how it is. Okay, I guess we could plus one. Right. Oh, well, it is working fine for now. Let's check submitting it. Well, the time complexity is good enough. And since the space complexity is almost same for everybody, it is spanning from 17.5 to 17.9, which means probably everyone uses the same thing. They might convert it into a string or a list. See, this code does the same, and well, this one too, and this one as well. and this one too. So the space complexity of the code is order of n oh, since the number might like this won't be very long array since the numbers span from 1 to 10 to the power of 9, which is a string of length 9, so that's fine, and we are not making any additional spaces, so string of length 9 is very fine if it gives you simplicity. You can do it on the number itself, but it will make your life very complex. Yeah, so I hope you understood the solution. Uh, but anyway, I'll reiterate what's we're doing here. So initially, we are making a string out of the number so that we can slice it into the size of k, and we can check whether or not the sliced one divides the total number. And we are avoiding the edge case, in which case if the length of the string, I mean if the number is one digit number, then we'll be returning 1, because the k is between 1 and the length of the number, and we are sliding um, if I mean if the length is considered n, then n minus k plus 1, which gives us the uh, n minus k, which is here 6 minus k will be this part plus 1, because we have why are we considering these 5 parts, because initially we'll be taking 43 and then 30 and then 00 and then 04 and 03. That's why we're adding plus 1, and if we got 0 in between, it will give us a 0 division error, because we are dividing the number with the slide or the slice. If it is divisible, then the remainder will be 0, and we are considering it and adding one more possibility, and finally returning all the possibilities. I hope you guys understood and working hard to be a better self. Thank you. Goodbye.